here I am with the Jacob's Ladder card that we tried to make tonight. This is the finished item and it works, as you know, just purely by falling down like that. So to make this, you're going to need 12 pieces of white card, which is 7 by 7 centimetres square. This can all be cut from one piece of A4. You're also going to need 12 pieces of patterned card, but I recommend you have 6 of one design and 6 of another. This is cut to 6.5 centimetres square. And we also need 3 pieces of organza ribbon, and this is done in white, and it is 82 centimetres long, so 3 pieces, each piece 82 centimetres long. To put the card together, this is not actually starting on the first layer, this is up to layer 3, but it is actually going to be exactly the same. So imagine this is your first piece coming down here now. So we've got, on the back of each of these, we've drawn 3 lines. These lines have been drawn on just 6 of the pieces, 6 pieces, all the same pattern on the other side. And the lines are drawn at 1.5 centimetres, 3.5 centimetres and 5.5 centimetres. We've then put double-sided tape on top of these lines so they're sticky. And I've now removed the backing of this tape, so this is ready to stick and ready to go. So we're going to start off with our ribbons, and the top line is going to have the ribbon going to the right and press down on the sticky part. The bottom line is going to have the ribbon going to the right and stuck down, and the centre one is going to be going to the left. So we've put together the 3 pieces of organza ribbon. So now a useful tip with this, we can see white on here, and we're going to add another piece of card. And this time we're going to add some glue to this card because we're sticking the 2 white sides together. So you don't need too much, but just enough to hold it. So that is a bit of PVA, white to white, and there's glue. So that's just going to go on top of there and press down, and a wobbly glue. And then we're going to wrap the organza again. So the centre one over to the right, and the top one and the bottom one over to the left. You might find it quite handy here to put a weight on these ribbons if you find they're misbehaving. So we have a pattern side showing, and now I'm going to have another pattern side on top of that. This is one of the ones with the lines on, and it's going on top. There is no glue. You never put any glue between the 2 patterns. You just lie them on top of each other. But we do need to wrap the ribbon again. So the ribbon is going, the centre piece is now going to the left, the top piece to the right, and the bottom piece to the right. When you are wrapping the ribbon round on the white part, that's the way it goes. When it's on the coloured part, it goes a different way. So white, and we're going to add one of the second layers there. Again, white to white, there's glue. And then the glue will just go on top of this. So we're making a very, very big sandwich. Then the ribbon are going across again. So the top one over to the right, the middle one over to the left. I think I've just got that on the wrong way. Middle one over to the right, bottom one over to the left. Then pattern to pattern. Here's the pattern showing on this one. Patterns to each other, no glue, but we've got the lines drawn and the sticky tape on there. So this time we're going back to the right onto the sticky tape, centre piece over to the left. I hope I've got that round the right way. Bottom one over to the right. And then we're going to add the other pattern. White to white, of course, is glue. So when it's white to white, we want the glue. Come out, glue, don't let me down now. So white to white is the glue. And this is the part that often people get wrong, is they forget to wrap the ribbon back over. Then colour to colour, there's the coloured side. That's going on top. And then we're going to wrap the last little piece over here like this. That one over there. So going to the left. So the centre one always goes the opposite direction to the top and bottom. And then what you can do is just trim off these last little bits. If you've got more than this amount of ribbon left out of your 82 centimetres, something has gone wrong. So don't put any more glue on. Check what went wrong. Probably almost certainly guarantee it's going to be that you forgot to wrap the ribbon when it just lies there and it doesn't get stuck. So our final one now, white to white, is a piece of glue, a bit of glue. And then that goes on top. And it's an idea to let it settle for a while. You can put a weight on it to crush that down. Just going to press that all in there and make sure it's stuck. Just give that PV a couple of seconds and then we'll see if that's worked. It's a bit nerve-wracking to see if it's worked or not. Hopefully it has. There we go. That's worked perfectly. So then when you do hold it, you either go forwards or backwards with that top one. It varies onto which one you're holding. And then the more you use it, the more it rolls down. So that's how you put together the Jacob's Ladder card. Bye bye.